Let me ask you an honest question. Are you happy with your current job? Like, would you say you're truly fulfilled and excited to go to work every damn day? Or are you tired of being stuck in a dead-end job despite having what most would call a good salary? If that's the case, you're not alone. In fact, this is a trap that millions of people, including myself, fall into every day without even realizing it. In this video, we're going to uncover the truth about the paycheck trap and how it may be holding you back from your dream career. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. And today's sponsor is my very own no nonsense leadership bootcamp, but more on that in a second. Okay, there are 7 ideas that I want you to consider. But what I don't want to hear in the comments section is, oh, easy for you to say, I've got bills, I've got kids, I've got this. I don't care. I mean, I do care, but in my experience, the moment you stop bullshitting yourself and others around you, the quicker you start to try to see if it's even possible. And then, I promise you, it becomes possible. Okay, that's out of the way. So, there's a problem with high salaries. Money it seems like it's the ultimate answer to all of life's problems. But the truth is that high salaries, they can sometimes be more problematic than what they're worth. Instead of feeling fulfilled in our work and pursuing our passions, we may become stuck in the job solely for the paycheck. The name for this is actually called the golden handcuffs. So here's my question to you. Is it really worth sacrificing our dreams and potential for the sake of a few extra bucks on your paycheck? It really is important to consider the long-term effects of our career choices and to make sure that they align with our own personal values and our personal interests. In my experience, true happiness and fulfillment come from doing what we love, not just from a few extra bucks in the bank account. Our jobs, they can be so cozy and what I would say risk-free that we often forget there's a whole world out there waiting for us, waiting for you to explore it. The fear we feel towards leaving our job and shaking things up, it's totally valid. After all, most people don't like uncertainty. But think about it. What's the alternative? Staying in a job that you don't love just for the sake of maintaining your current lifestyle. I did this for 17 years. I am speaking from painful experience. This is a recipe for boredom, dissatisfaction, and mediocrity. Sure, the salary might be great, but is it worth settling for good enough? I can't answer that for you. Only you can. Have you ever taken a moment to think about what truly brings you joy? What truly brings you fulfillment in life? It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget about our passions, our priorities, beyond just being financially stable. That's a big one, but this was me 100%, and it took a global pandemic to allow me to see it. It's important for us to check in with ourselves and to make sure that our current job aligns with our priorities. Listen, we spend a good chunk of our lives working. So in my opinion, we might as well make sure it's something that brings us joy, brings us happiness. So take a minute, reflect. What brings you joy? Is your current job helping you achieve that? If not, it may be time for you to reassess your priorities and make some changes. I think it's fair to say that we've all been there at some point, clocking in day after day at a job that drains us of all energy, of all enthusiasm, drains us of life. It's easy to push aside that nagging feeling that something's not right and to convince ourselves that the paycheck that we bring home is absolutely worth it. But the truth is, staying in a bad job can come with a much higher cost than just time and energy. Burnout, stress, and deteriorating mental health and physical health are all potential consequences of subjecting ourselves to a work environment that doesn't fulfill us. So here's the question. Is it worth it? As difficult as it may be to acknowledge, usually the answer is no. Our well-being is too precious to sacrifice for a paycheck, and we owe it to ourselves to pursue a career that truly does make us happy. Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of being overlooked for important leadership jobs or leadership roles? Being a great leader takes more than just skill and knowledge. It takes belief in yourself and the ability to inspire others. The No Nonsense Leadership Bootcamp can help you unlock your true potential as a leader. Imagine, if you will, walking into a room full of people and commanding their attention with your presence alone. By joining my bootcamp, you will learn these secrets to being an undeniable leader. You'll learn how to overcome self-doubt and to become an influential figure in more ways than just at work. Don't let anyone, including yourself, hold you back from developing into a leader or moving to a leadership role. Join my bootcamp today and discover how you can make your leadership abilities impossible to ignore. Check the description for the link to join. The idea of making money without solely relying on a 9-to-5 job can definitely feel daunting, but it's worth considering. I mean, really, why would you limit yourself to one source of income when there are countless options out there? From side hustles that can help supplement your income to starting your own business that aligns with your passion, there is no shortage of ways to generate extra cash. The key is to experiment and to find out what works best for you. Whether it's selling handcrafted goods online or building a following as a freelance writer or providing pet sitting services in your community, or even starting a silly little YouTube channel that talks about management. You'll be surprised how many opportunities there are to actually make extra income and to do it by doing something you actually like. Do you currently feel like you're stuck in a job that no longer fulfills you? Maybe you've been in the same field for years or decades, and it's almost like everything that you do every day is on autopilot. The great news is that it is never too late to make the change. Just because you've been doing something for a long time, it doesn't mean you have to keep doing it. Pursuing a new career path can definitely be scary, my God, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Waking up each and every day feeling excited about what you're going to do. In my case, I'm able to drop the kids off at school, get back to bed, don't tell the wife, get back to bed for a nap, but then I get to come out here and chat with you. This stuff is possible. Don't be like me and let fear hold you back years from pursuing what you want to do. Life is absolutely, it's a cliche, but life is short, and it's too short for you to stay in a career that doesn't make you happy. Trust me, making a change could be the best decision you'll ever make. When it comes to finding this, mythical dream job or creating your own path, it's very easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. Luckily, there are so many resources and support systems out there to help guide you in the right direction. We can talk about career coaches, not me, because they are a fantastic option if you're stuck or you're just unsure what steps to take next. We can talk online courses, which can be, incredibly helpful in expanding your knowledge set. That is me. And don't underestimate the power of networking opportunities like LinkedIn, but more importantly, in-person events. You never know who you might meet and what opportunities might arise from these connections. Don't be afraid to take advantage of these resources and support systems because they may just lead you to the career of your dreams. Listen, let's be real. Paying bills is absolutely important. But, honest question, is it worth sacrificing your personal fulfillment and overall happiness? Often we can fall into the trap of chasing a bigger paycheck and ignore the nagging feeling that's telling us we're not happy, we're not okay. So the question is, do you climb the ladder or dig your grave? Well, in this video right here, that's exactly what we're going to answer. Get your coffee. I'll see you there. Ciao.